Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you a cool tip how to send WhatsApp message to anyone without saving their number to your contact list. There are a lot of time when you meet someone and you don't want to save their number in your contact list, but just want to share some document or photos in WhatsApp message without saving their number to your contacts. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon to see more tech videos on my channel. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. This method is very simple. All you need to do is go to App Store and type click to chat. You can see over here, these are the two applications. You can download both of them or one of them, whichever you find comfortable. In my experience, I prefer direct message application. So you can download this application and click to open. Since I live in UAE, it's showing UAE code by default. But suppose you want to send WhatsApp message to someone who has Indian number or a French number or a UK number, you can just click over here and choose a country code. Now what I like about this application is you can not just type the number over here, but also type the message over here and just click to send. So for example, I type the number and I type the message, for example, hello. You can also see there are a lot of options. You can send a message or send media, create link or save the number to your contact, or even directly call the number right from here. There is also an option to send funny text. So once you have typed the number and the message, you can just click on send. It will directly take you to the number and you can just send any WhatsApp message you like to send without saving the contact details. Now this was a method number 1, but you can also use another method. Just go to Safari or Chrome browser from your smartphone and type 𝗪𝗏.me/. the country code of the number you like to send WhatsApp message to and the WhatsApp number, and then click on go. So the browser will ask you to open this page in WhatsApp application. Click on open and that's it. You will be redirected to WhatsApp chat and send your message to this number without saving it. This method can be used from iPhone or Android smartphone. This can be very handy when you don't want to save someone in your contacts and just want to send a random WhatsApp to share a document or photo. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you liked this video. You can also click over here to see my Galaxy S21 series of videos which I have made earlier. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.